The government has called for an all-party meeting ahead of the monsoon session of the parliament, which begins from tomorrow. During the meeting, the government will seek the cooperation from the all political parties to ensure smooth functioning of both houses of the parliament. The monsoon session will be held from the 21st of this month to the 21st of the next month. And during this session, several important legislations are also scheduled to be taken up for the discussions and passage. My colleague Tejshri is on the broadcast with us with the details. Tejshri, what time is the all-party meeting that has been called? Will all the opposition parties be in attendance? What are the details of the government's outreach?
Well, absolutely. The all-party meeting is set to begin at 11 a.m. Yesterday, remember that also there was the meeting of the India bloc where they decided that what will be their strategy for the all-party meeting and for the upcoming monsoon session as well, which will be commencing from 21st of July and will be continuing till 21st of August. Politically, very volatile session this will be, and attacks, counter-attacks, responses will all be seen in this entire monsoon session. But as far as the, all-party meeting is concerned, that is also to be of great importance, because already before the meeting begins, the Congress party has already started hitting out at the government, mentioning that why Prime Minister is not part of the meeting. Why, in fact, what is the use of calling such a meeting where Prime Minister does not attend the meeting, number one. Also, in fact, they also mentioned that it will be Rajnath Singh as usual who will be coming, chairing the meeting, will be hearing, and the point that they will be keeping forward will never be heard. They will just, in fact, be there in the meeting itself, and there will be no action taken on all those points or the demands that the opposition is demanding. So what is the use of calling such kind of meetings? So this is the stance what opposition has been taking just ahead of the all-party meeting that will be beginning today at 11 a.m. Remember that before the all-party meeting, as we were talking about the India bloc meeting, so there's already an in-depth going on between the India bloc, say, because Aam Aadmi Party has already exited from this alliance, putting entire blame on the Congress party, saying that Congress party has failed to failed to bring the alliance together, and beyond that we also have seen that CPIM leader D. Raja also in fact mentioned in the meeting that when it comes to criticizing an individual of the India bloc,
there is some divide within the Congress and the other allies, but the government has reached out to the opposition. The government has said we are ready for discussions, but let the parliament function. The opposition, though, has continued to criticize the government and has dubbed this all-party meeting a mere formality. They say that the Prime Minister is not going to attend such a meeting, and it is Rajnath Singh who will be chairing the meeting. So what's the point?
अभी से लोगों ने कहना शुरू किया है राजनाथ सिंह जी की मीटिंग है, प्रधानमंत्री आते नहीं, गृह मंत्री आते नहीं, जो जिनकी जवाबदेही है पहलगाम में, जिनकी जवाबदेही है वो रक्षा मंत्री को बैठा देते हैं, जिनके हाथ में कुछ नहीं होता है, गुडी मीटिंग करके वो चले जाते हैं, जो कह के जाते हैं वो भी नहीं होता है। तो जब प्रधानमंत्री नहीं आते, सर्वदलीय बैठक बुलाई जाती है ऑपरेशन सिंदूर पे, उसमें नहीं आते हैं, तो मुझे लगता है प्रधानमंत्री जी 75 साल पूरे होने का इंतजार कर रहा है।
20 तारीख को तो एक औपचारिकता है, 20 तारीख सुबह राजनाथ सिंह जी आएंगे और बैठक होगी सभी पार्टियों की, हम लोग सुझाव देंगे, उस सुझाव का नज़रअंदाज किया जाता है हमेशा, अगर हमारा अनुभव देखें तो ये सब औपचारिकता है।
So the opposition leaders have already met yesterday. They have decided on their flow strategy to corner the government. They have also listed down several issues that they will be cornering the government on. Meanwhile, the government has called for an all-party meeting that is expected at 11 a.m. today. We have more breaking updates now coming in.